First, you'll need the right tools. Popular software choices include Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, Procreate, or even free options like GIMP or Canva. For simpler designs, we're aiming for that classic stamp look. So think about your textures early on. Open your software and create a new document with a transparent background. Start with your base shape. This could be a perfect circle, a wonky rectangle, or even a custom silhouette. Simplicity is key for a good stamp impression. Now for your design, use bold fonts or strong, clean lines. Avoid overly thin or intricate details. Remember, traditional stamps can't capture everything. If you're going for a vintage feel, pick a distressed font. Once your design is complete, merge your layers if necessary, or group them for easier manipulation. This makes applying effects much smoother. To get that authentic rubber stamp look, we'll add some imperfections. Look for a noise or grain filter to simulate the ink not spreading perfectly. You can also slightly distort the edges for an uneven, hand-stamped feel. Another trick is to subtly erase small, random specks within your design using a textured brush to mimic areas where the ink might have been lighter or skipped. This adds to the realism. Now, export your finished digital stamp as a PNG file with a transparent background. This is crucial so you can layer it onto any project without a white box around it. And there you have it, your very own digital rubber stamp, ready to be used in planners, digital art, social media graphics, or anything else you can dream up.